Hello viewers, আমি পাঠটো কন্টিনিউ কৰিম এতিয়া মাজতে খন্তে সময়ৰ কাৰণে আমি জিৰণি লৈছিলোঁ সো এতিয়া আমি আকৌ পাঠটো আৰম্ভ কৰিম মই আকৌ আমাৰ যিজন শিক্ষকে বহি আছে তেখেতৰ ফালে কেমেৰাটো লৈ গৈছো আপোনালোকে চাই থাকক ক্লাছটো
Hello students, again we are coming back to our class. Now we are going to start our exercise 8.1. Question number 1, number 1. In the question, it is asked that in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, determine sin A cos A. And question number 2, it is given sin C cos C. Now we have to find out the measure of the side AC of the triangle given in the figure. In the triangle ABC, already the measure of AB is given as 24 cm and the measure of BC is given as 7 cm. Now we have to find the measure of AC with the help of Pythagoras Theorem. According to the Pythagoras Theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Therefore, we will get AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. The value of AB is given as 24, so we will write here 24 square plus value of BC is given as 7 cm, so we will write here 7 square. 24 square means 24 are 576 and 7 square means 7 7s are 49. 576 plus 49, that is 625, and the square root of 625 is 25. That is the measure of AC is 25 centimeter. Now we have to write sin A. Sin A, that means with respect to angle A, AB be the base and BC be the perpendicular and AC be the hypotenuse. So sin A is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. We will write here sin A is equal to BC. BC is the perpendicular by AC. AC is the hypotenuse. And we will put the respective values of BC and AC. The value of BC is 7 cm and value of AC is 25 cm already derived. And centimeter will cancel. Now we will get the result 7 by 25. And cos A is equal to AB by AC. That means the ratio cos A represents some ratio of AB is the base and BC or AC is the hypotenuse. Measure of AB is 24 cm and measure of AC is 25 cm. Centimeter will cancel and the result is 24 by 25. And question number 1, number 2 is similar with this sum, so you can try it afterwards by yourself. Now we are going to the next sum. There is question number 4 in the next page. Question number 4. In question number 4, it is given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. In the question, it is given 15 cot A is equal to 8. So cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Cot is the ratio of base and perpendicular. So in place of cot A, we will write B by P is equal to 8 by 15 is equal to K. We have to consider K is a constant. So we will get B is equal to 8K and P is equal to 15K. In place of base, we will write 8K and in place of perpendicular, we will write 15K. So with the help of Pythagoras Theorem, we will find the measure of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to under root perpendicular square plus base square. P value is 15K, so we will write 15K square plus the value of B is 8K, so we will write 8K square. 15 15s are 225. So 15k whole square means 225k square plus 8k whole square means 8 is the 64, so it will be 64k square. 225k square plus 64k square is equal to 289k square. So square root of 289k square is equal to 17k. That means we have the value of hypotenuse as 17k. Now we are going to find sine A. Sine A is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So we are writing sine A is equal to P by S. In the diagram already it is shown to you. Value of P is already considered as 15k and value of S is considered as 17k. So k cancel, then the result is 15 by 17. And we have to find sec A. Sec is the ratio of hypotenuse and base. So the value of hypotenuse is here 17k and value of base is here 8k. So k cancel. So we have the result 17 by 8. I think all of you understood up to here. Next, we are going to page number 5. In this page, we are going to solve question number 6 from your textbook. In this question, it is given that if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then so that angle A is equal to angle B. So for this solution, we will consider two right angle triangle as displayed in the page. One is triangle PQA and other is triangle RSB. Now we are going to write about these triangles. Let PQA and RSB be the two right angle triangles in which angle A and angle B are acute angles and cos A is equal to cos B. Then cos A is equal to QA by PA. QA by PA, that is cos is the ratio of curly brown here. From that sentence we will find out B by S, that means base and hypotenuse. So QA is the base and PA is the hypotenuse, and cos B is equal to SB by RB. Since cos A is equal to cos B, it is given in the question. In place of cos A, we are putting QA by PA, and in place of cos B, we are putting SB by RB. Now we are writing QA is equal to SB is equal to PA by RB is equal to K. K is a constant. So we will get QA is equal to KSB and PA is equal to KRB. Now we will find out the value of PQ with the help of Pythagoras Theorem. So PQ is equal to under root PA square minus QA square, and RS is equal to under root RB square minus SB square. So PQ by RS is equal to, we will put the respective values. PQ already we have, that is under root PA square minus QA square, and RS, value of RS is under root RB square minus SB square. Then we will put the value of PA, that is already we considered PA is equal to KRB, and value of QA already we considered KSB, and we will simplify it. Then we will get K square RB square minus K square SB square by RB square minus SB square. Then we will take K square as common. Then we will get K square whole into RB square minus SB square, and in the denominator already RB square minus SB square is there. We will cancel it. Then we have under root K square. So square root of K square is K. So it is marked as equation number 2. Already we marked QA by SB is equal to PA by RB is equal to K as equation number 1. From 1 and 2 we get QA by SB is equal to PA by RB is equal to PQ by RS. Hence, triangle PQA is similar to triangle RSB by side similarity criterion. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B. That is corresponding angles, and it is proved according to our question. Now we are taking question number 8 from exercise 8.1. Already it is displayed. In this question, it is given 3 cot A is equal to 4, and you have to check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we will write left hand side. First of all, we are taking 3 cot A is equal to 4. So cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Then we are taking left hand side, and the left hand side is there 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A, and already we know that tan square A is equal to 1 by cos square A. So we are putting here in place of tan square A, we are putting here 1 by cos square A, and in place of denominator also 1 plus tan square A is there. So there also we are replacing tan square A by 1 by cos square A. Then we are putting the value of cos square A. Already it is given to us as 4 by 3. So we will write here 1 minus 1 by 4 by 1 divided by 4 by 3 whole square. Whole thing divided by 1 plus 1 by 4 by 3 whole square. Then we will proceed for simplification. Then we will get 1 minus 1 by 16 by 9. Whole thing divided by 1 plus 1 by 16 by 9. Then we will simplify it. We will proceed for simplification. We will get 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Then we will take 16 as LCM. Then we will get 16 minus 9 divided by 16 in place of numerator, and 16 plus 9 divided by 16 in place of denominator. Then we are getting the result like this: 7 by 16 whole thing divided by 25 by 16. The remaining part is in the next page. Next page, all of you see, is equal to, we will get 7 by 16 when we convert the division sign into multiplication sign, then the fraction of the denominator will be the reciprocal. So 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. So we will cancel 16 and our result is 7 by 25. Now we will do right hand side. RSS. In right hand side, cos square A minus sin square A is there. So cos square, in place of cos square A, we will write the identity 1 minus sin square A, minus sin square A, and then minus sin square A minus sin square A, it will be twice sin square A, 1 minus twice sin square A. So 1 minus 2 into, in place of sin square A again we can write 1 by cosec square A. Then we can write 1 minus 2 by 1 plus cos square A. In place of cosec square A we can write 1 plus cos square A. And we are going to put the value of cot A. It is already given us as 4 by 3. So in place of cot A, we are putting here 4 by 3 whole square. Now we are going to simplify it. 1 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 16 by 9 is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by 9 plus 16 divided by 9. That means we are taking LCM 9. Then we will proceed for the simplification, and we will get 1 minus 2 divided by 25 by 9. Then we will get 1 minus 2 into 9 by 25. Then 2 into 9, 18 by 25. And now we will take LCM 25. So we will write here 25 minus 18 by 25. So result is 7 by 25. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say yes, 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Next, question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQ plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Given, now we are going to solve this problem. Given, we are writing here PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. That is also given to us. So it is marked as equation number 1. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. It is also given. Therefore, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square by Pythagoras Theorem. So PQ square is equal to PR square minus QR square. So PQ square is equal to PR square minus QR square, that is in the form of identity A square minus B square. So with the help of that identity, we can write PR plus QR whole into PR minus QR. Then value of PQ is given as 5. So we are writing here 5 square in place of PQ square. And value of PR plus QR is already given as 25. So that is replaced by this value. And 25 whole into PR minus QR. Now we will write the value of 5 square. 5 square means 5 5 is 25 and 25 whole into PR minus QR we are transposing to left hand side and 5 square we are transposing to right hand side. Just we exchange the place. So 25 is divided by 25, then result is 1. So we are getting PR minus QR is equal to 1. That is equation number 2. Now we will add equation number 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, now we will write like this. The left hand side of equation number 1 is PR plus QR plus left hand side of equation number 2 is PR minus QR and right hand side of equation 1 is 25 and right hand side of equation 2 is 1. So we are adding in that order. So QR is positive and another QR is negative, so it is cancelled out. So PR plus PR, that means it is 2PR is equal to 25 plus 1, that is 26. And PR is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is 13. The value of PR is equal to 13. Putting PR is equal to 13 in equation number 2, we get 13 minus QR is equal to 1. So minus QR is equal to 1 minus 13. So minus minus from 1, if we subtract 13, then we will get minus 12. And in left hand side also it is minus QR. So both sides, this minus sign you can cancel out. Then QR is equal to 12. Therefore, PR is equal to 13 centimeter and QR is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we are going to find sin P. That is with respect to angle P, QP is the base and RQ be the perpendicular and RP be the hypotenuse. So sin P is the ratio of the side QR and PR, and value of QR is 12, we are writing here, and value of PR is 13, we are writing here. Then cos P. Cos is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. Here base is PQ and hypotenuse is RP or PR. So we are putting the value of PQ as 5, the value of PR as 13. Then we are going to find tan P. Tan is the ratio of perpendicular and base. Here QR is the perpendicular and PQ is the base. So value of QR is 12 and value of PQ is 5. This exercise, the most important questions of this exercise already discussed. So we are going to discuss the next exercise. Next exercise. So before starting this exercise, you have to go through the page 206 and 207 and 208, 209 of your textbook. Then it will be easy for you. So there are some trigonometric ratios, that means trigonometric ratios of some specific angles are discussed here. That is trigonometric ratios of 45, trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree, trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree, all are discussed in your textbook. So you can try to understand by yourself from your textbook. Now we are going to discuss one important point, how to memorize the values of some specific angles, that is sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree, and other trigonometric ratios, that means cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So there is a tricks to remember these values in very easy way. All of you have to write the numbers from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that numbers you have to divide by 4, and then you have to take the square root of all that. That means first is 0, 0 divided by 4, answer is 0, square root of 0 is 0, that is the value of sine 0. Next, you have to divide 1 by 4, and then you have to take the square root. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2, that is the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, that is half. Next is 3 divided by 4, and then you are taking square root. Square root of 3 is not there, so you have to write root 3, and square root of 4 is 2. So sine first of all you are taking 0, then 1, then 2. Then 2 divided by 4, you are getting 1 by 2. And square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is 2. Then you are dividing 3 by 4. Then you are taking square root of 3 by 4. Square root of 3 is root 3. And square root of, that means we are not finding the square root of 3. And square root of 4 is 2. That means sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. And last, 4 by 4 is divided, 4 by 4 is equal to 1, and square root of 1 is 1. That means we are getting the sine 90 degree value as 1. Now from the beginning I am going to say sine 0 degree is equal to 0, sine 30 degree is equal to half, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree is equal to 1. If we write these values in reverse order, that means we are writing, suppose we are writing these values from left to right, write these values from right to left according to the increasing order of the angles, that is 0 degree, for the values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, we will get it like this: 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Then value of 10 we can find out. 10 is the ratio of sine and cos, that means 10 a is equal to sine a by cos a. So 10 0 degree is equal to 0 by 1, that is 0. 10 30 degree is equal to half divided by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. 10 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, that is 1. 10 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by half is equal to root 3. 10 90 degree is equal to 1 divided by 0, that is not defined. If we write these values in reverse order, we will get the values of cot A. That means cot 0 degree not defined. then cot 30 degree root 3, cot 45 degree 1, cot 60 degree 1 by root 3, cot 90 degree 0. Again we know that sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec 0 degree value we can write from the values of cos, respective values of cos. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. So cos 0 degree, we are finding sec. The reciprocal of sec is cos. So we are finding 1 by 1, that is 1. Again, the reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And the reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. So it is not defined. That is the values of sec. And then in the same way we can find the values of cosec. So all of you can memorize this table in this way. Now we are proceeding to the next exercise, that is exercise 8.2. 8.2, there in exercise 8.2 question number 1 there are 6 sums, and from that sums I think question number 1, number 4 is the longest sum. So I am trying to explain these sums to you. In this sum you are asked to find the values, that is evaluate the following: sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So you have to put the values, respective values. Sin 30 degree value is half, already we have in the value chart. Tan 45 degree value is 1, cosec 60 degree value is 2 by root 3, sec 30 degree value 2 by root 3, cos 60 degree value half, cot 45 degree value 1. So we are putting the respective values, and then we are proceeding to simplify it. I think all of you can simplify it. Only the critical step, that is after the step 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4, just after that step I will explain you. That is, we have to rationalize this step. For rationalization we have to multiply the denominator with 3 root 3 minus 4 as well as the numerator with 3 root 3 minus 4. Then in place of numerator we are getting 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, and in place of denominator we are getting 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. Then we will proceed it, and at last we are getting the result 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. I think all of you can follow it. So for for other sums you can take the help of this sum of question number 1. Now we are going to the next page. Question number 3. Question number 3, there is a 2 question. Question number 3, number 1 we are going to solve. In the question it is given tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree. A is greater than b. Find a and b. Now you have to find the value of a and b. First of all we will write here tan a plus b is equal to root 3, and all of you know that the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So we have to replace root 3 and we have to write tan 60 degree. So in left hand side we have tan a plus b, and in right hand side we have tan 60 degree. So tan we can remove. If we remove tan from both sides, then what we get, a plus b is equal to 60 degree, and that one we are considering as equation number 1. And tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, that is also given to us. So in place of 1 by root 3 we can write tan 30 degree. Now we can remove tan from both sides, then we will get a minus b is equal to 30 degree. That is equation number 2. Now we have to solve for a and b. Then for that we have to add these two equations. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2. Then we'll get a plus b plus a minus b is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree. One is plus b and other is minus b, so it is cancelled. A plus a, it is twice a. Twice a is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree, that is 90 degree. A is equal to 90 degree divided by 2, that is 45 degree. Putting a is equal to 45 degree in equation 1, we get 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. B is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. So b is equal to, and b is equal to 15 degree. That's enough from this exercise. Next, for the next exercise, we have to go through the page number 212, 213, and in page number 213, some trigonometric ratios of complementary angles are given. So what first is sin 90 degree minus a is equal to cos a, cos 90 degree minus a is equal to sin a, tan 90 degree minus a is equal to cot a, cot 90 degree minus a is equal to tan a, sec 90 degree minus a is equal to cosec a, cosec 90 degree minus a is equal to sec a. That is already given to you, and with the help of this we will try to solve the sums given in exercise 8.3, and for that we will proceed to the next page, page number 11. In this exercise, question number 1 is given as sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. Now, in place of sin 18 degree, we will write sin 90 degree minus 72 degree. So with the help of the formula sin 90 degree minus theta, we will get cos 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree. So it is cancelled. So result is 1. Now we are taking question number 6. Number 6. Tan 35 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 55 degree, tan 30 degree. Now in place of tan 35 degree, we are writing here tan 90 degree minus 55 degree. In place of tan 60 degree, we are writing here tan 90 degree minus 30 degree. And tan 55 degree, tan 30 degree, not change. And tan 90 degree minus 55 degree is equal to cot 55 degree. That means tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. So we are writing here cot 55 degree. And tan 90 degree minus 30 degree, in place of that we are writing cot 30 degree using the same formula. And tan 55 degree and tan 30 degree not change. Again, we know cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. So we are writing here cot 55 degree into tan 55 degree, and in place of that we can write 1. And cot 30 degree into tan 30 degree, in place of that also we can write 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That is the answer of this question. Next, we are going to explain question number 1, number 8. In number 8, it is given 3 whole into sin 23 degree divided by cos 67 degree plus 4 sec 47 degree divided by cosec 43 degree. Now we are using the formula sin 90 degree minus theta. With the help of that formula, we are writing here sin 90 degree minus 67 degree divided by cos 67 degree plus 4 into sec 90 degree minus 43 degree. In place of sec 47, we are writing divided by cosec 43 degree. Then sin 90 degree minus 67 degree is equal to cos 67 degree divided by cos 67 degree. So if we cancel it, then we will get 1. 3 into 1, it becomes 3 plus 4 into cosec 43 degree. That means from sec 90 degree minus 43 degree, we are getting cosec 43 degree. Cosec 43 degree divided by cosec 43 degree is 1. So 4 into 1, it becomes 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That is the answer. Now we are going to the next page, page number 12. Question number 3. In the question, it is given if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is acute angle, find the value of a. In the question, it is given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So in place of tan 2a, we are writing cot 90 degree minus 2a, and in right hand side it is already there cot a minus 18 degree. So we have to remove cot from both sides, then we will get 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Then minus 2a is already there in left hand side, we have to transpose a from right to left, so it becomes minus a, and in right hand side already minus 18 degrees there, so 90 degree we have to transpose from left to right, then it becomes minus 90 degree. So minus 18 degree minus 19 degree altogether minus 108 degree, and left hand side minus 2a minus a altogether minus 3a. So from both sides we will cancel minus sign, and 108 is divided by 3, then the result is 36 degree. Therefore the required value of angle A is 36 degree. Now question number 4. In this question, tan A is equal to cot B is given. We have to prove A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So we are writing now tan A is equal to cot B. Tan A is equal to, in place of cot B you can write tan 90 degree minus B. Then tan we have to remove from both sides, then we will get A is equal to 90 degree minus B. Now we have to transpose minus B from right to left, then we will get it A plus B is equal to 90 degree. It is proved. Now question number 6 of this exercise. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C divided by 2 is equal to cos A by B. All of we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in this triangle ABC, A, B and C are the three angles. So we have to write A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So B plus C we have to keep in left hand side, and we have to transpose A from left to right. So we will get B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A, and we have to multiply both sides by half. Then we will get left hand side B plus C divided by 2, and in right hand side we will get half into 180 degree minus A. Then we will multiply half with 180 degree, then we will get 90 degree, and we will multiply half with A, then we will get A by 2. So at last we are getting B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Next page, page number 13. Sin B plus C divided by 2 is equal to sin 90 degree minus A by 2. That means we are taking sin in both sides. So sin B plus C divided by 2 in left hand side, and right hand side sin 90 degree minus theta. With the help of that formula we are writing here cos theta. In place of theta here it is A by 2, so we are writing here cos A by 2. That means it is proved according to our question. Next we are going to solve 8 number 2. In question number 8 number 2, if sin A is equal to cos 33 degree, A is less than 90 degree, find the value of A. In place of sin A, we are writing cos 90 degree minus A. In right hand side already cos 33 degree is there, so we have to remove cos from both sides. Then we will get 90 degree minus A is equal to 33 degree. So minus A is equal to 33 degree minus 90 degree. So A is minus minus both sides we have to cancel out. Then A is equal to 57 degree, which implies A is equal to 57 degree. Therefore the required value of A is 57 degree. Now we are going to discuss 8 number 4. If sin 3x plus 10 is equal to cos x plus 24 degree, actually in this question degree sign is not given, so you have to put the degree sign. if you put degree sign, then question will be like this. If sine 3x plus 10 degree is equal to cos x plus 24 degree, then find the value of x. So for this question, you have to write sine 3x plus 10 degree is equal to cos x plus 24 degree. So all of we know cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. So in place of sine 3x plus 10 degree, we are writing cos 90 degree minus, within bracket we have to write 3x plus 10 degree. And right hand side we will not change anything. Then cos 90 degree minus theta, according to that formula, we are getting sin theta. Then we have to remove cos from both sides. Then we will get 90 degree minus 3x plus 10 degree within bracket is equal to x plus 20 degree. Then we will simplify minus thrice x plus 10 degree. We have to transpose to right hand side, then it becomes plus. So ultimate calculation will be 90 degree is equal to 4x plus 34 degree. Then 90 degree minus 34 degree is equal to 4x. Then 4x is equal to 56 degree. Then x is equal to 56 degree divided by 4. That is 4 14s are 56. So x is equal to 14 degree. Therefore, the required value of x is 14 degree. Now, we have to proceed to exercise 8.4. So for this exercise, you have to memorize the identities already discussed in the beginning of this class. From that you have to use your identities, and for your reference you can see page number 215, 216 and 216. That is 215 and 16, that is 2 pages. You have to see from your textbook, then you will be able to understand the identities. Now with the help of the identities, we are going to solve the sums given in exercise 8.4. 8.4, question number 1. That is page number, now we are going to discuss page number 14. Exercise 8.4, question number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So we are going to solve it. Sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. All of we know the relation. So in place of cosec A, we can write under root 1 plus cot square A. That means sin A is expressed in terms of cot A. Next, sec A is equal to under root 1 plus tan square A. All of we know that is also one identity. So in place of tan A, tan square A, we can write 1 by cot square A. Then we can take cot square A as LCM. Then we will get under root cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. So the square root of cot square A is cot A. So in place of denominator, cot A will come. And in place of numerator, it will be under root cot square A plus 1. That means sec A is expressed in terms of cot A. Then tan A, we have to express in terms of cot A. So tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, already we know. So sin A, sec A and tan A are expressed in terms of cot A. So this is enough for this question, question number 1. Next, we are going to page number 15. Exercise 8.4, question number 3, number 1. We have to evaluate sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. With the help of sin 90 degree minus theta, we are trying to solve it. In place of sin square 63 degree, we are writing here sin square 90 degree minus 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree already there. And in place of denominator, cos square 17 degree we are keeping same, and cos square 73 degree, in place of cos square 73 degree we are writing cos square 90 degree minus 17 degree. So according to the formula sin 90 minus theta, we have cos theta. So in place of sin square 90 degree minus 27 degree, we are writing cos square 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree already there. And in place of denominator, cos square 17 degree is there plus in place of cos square 90 degree minus 70 degree, we are writing here sin square 17 degree. So cos square 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree is equal to 1. As we know, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, in place of denominator, cos square 17 degree plus sin square 17 degree is equal also 1, as cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 means 1. That is the answer. Now we are going to solve question of 5, number 1. In this question, it is given like this: prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Question number 5, number 1, left hand side, it is given as cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. In place of cosec theta, we are writing here 1 by sin theta. And in place of cot theta, we are writing here cos theta by sin theta. Then we have to take the LCM. Then the LCM will be sin theta. So within bracket, we are doing 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. And 1 minus cos theta whole square is there in place of numerator. And in place of denominator, we are getting sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, we can write in another form, 1 minus cos theta whole into 1 minus cos theta. And in place of sin square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is as like as the identity a square minus b square. So according to that identity, we can write it a plus b whole into a minus b in that form. So it will be 1 minus cos theta whole into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta from numerator and denominator is cancelled. So the result is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, and that is the right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, this identity is verified. Next, page number 16. Find number 3. Left hand side. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. In place of tan theta, we are writing sin theta by cos theta. In place of cot theta, we are writing cos theta by sin theta. Then we have to simplify. When we simplify, we will get sin theta divided by cos theta whole thing divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole thing divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So next step, sin theta by cos theta, in place of the divider, we are writing here into. So the reciprocal have to write reciprocal, the reciprocal of the fraction of the denominator we have to write. So sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta, it becomes sin square theta divided by cos theta whole into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta, it becomes cos square theta divided by sin theta whole into cos theta minus sin theta. Now we are getting sin theta minus cos theta in place of the first fraction, and minus sin theta plus cos theta we are writing in the second fraction, denominator of the second fraction. So we have to find out the LCM. So we are writing sin square theta divided by cos theta whole into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by minus sin theta whole into sin theta minus cos theta. The LCM of these denominators will be cos theta into sin theta whole into sin theta minus cos theta. Then we will get sin cube theta minus cos cube theta in place of numerator. Then with the help of the identity a cube minus b cube, we have to expand it as sin theta minus cos theta whole into sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta cancel. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta we are writing together because we know that that is also an identity. So sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 and sin theta and cos theta remain same. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Now we have to go to the next page number 17. We have to separate our denominator. That means we have to write this in the form 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. So 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta we are getting plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta is 1. So 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta and 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So sec theta into cosec theta plus 1. And 1 we are writing first. Then we are writing plus sec theta into cosec theta. And that is the right hand side of the identity. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Next, we are going to prove the identity of the question number 5. Left hand side, page number 17 now. Left hand side, cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now we have to divide each and every term of this part by sin A. Then it becomes cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Whole thing divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Already we know cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. Sin A by sin A is equal to 1. 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A. In case of denominator also, cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. Sin A by sin A 1. 1 by sin A cosec A. And sin we are putting according to the order given in the question. Then cot A plus cosec A we are adding together and minus 1 we are adding the last. And in case of denominator also, cot A minus cosec A we are adding together and 1 in the last plus 1. So in place of numerator, 1 is replaced by the formula identity cosec square A minus cot square A. Then that identity can be written in a form of cosec A plus cot A whole to cosec A minus cot A. Then we have to take common cosec A plus cot A, we have to take common. Then we will get cosec A plus cot A whole into 1 minus cosec A minus cot A. Whole thing divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Next page number 18. We will get cosec A plus cot A whole into 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Whole thing divided by 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. That order is changed in terms of denominator. That 2 we can cancel out. 1 minus cosec A plus cot A in terms of numerator is also there. 1 minus cosec A plus cot A in terms of denominator also there. So we can cancel it. So what is the result? Cosec A plus cot A, and that is the right hand side of the identity. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side is proved. Now, 5 number 7. Left hand side, sin theta minus twice sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So in place of numerator, we can take sin theta common. Then we will get sin theta whole into 1 minus twice sin square theta. In place of denominator, we can take cos theta common. Then we will get twice cos square theta minus 1. So sin theta by cos theta we are writing separately. Whole into sin square theta, in place of 1 we are writing sin square theta plus cos square theta minus twice sin square theta. In place of denominator we are writing twice cos square theta. In place of minus 1 we are writing sin square theta minus cos square theta. So from sin square theta, if we subtract 2 sin square theta, we will get minus sin square theta. So result is cos square theta minus sin square theta. And in place of denominator, from 2 cos square theta, we are subtracting 1 cos square theta. So result is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So that both are same numerator denominator. So we can cancel. So result is 1. So tan theta into 1, that is tan theta. And that is the right hand side of the identity. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So for today, we are going to conclude our class here. I hope you will be able to understand the sums which is discussed in this class. If you have any doubt or if you want to know something from this exercise, then you can message in the link given or you can WhatsApp, then the doubt will be clear to you. I hope you will try your level best to understand as well as to solve your sums. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir, for coming in our studio. Our studio lo ahar karone apunak dhonnobad janaisu aru bhal lagile apuni bahut dhuniya ke goti kotha khini amar student khini karone bujai dile aru ami asha korim agoleo apuni aru amak kiba kibi enuka dhoroner explanation di bela amar student khini bujabole jotno koribo aru কি কম আমাৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট খিনি বা যিখিনি ভিউৱাৰ একে চাই আছে তেওঁলোকে আপোনালোকৰ পজিটিভ নেগেটিভ সকলোখিনি কমেন্ট আমাক দিব তলত কমেন্ট বক্সত দিব সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আমাৰ চেনেলটো লাইক কৰিব শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু লগতে যদি কিবা আমাৰ পৰামৰ্শ আছে আপোনালোকে যদি কিবা সাজেশন দিব বিচাৰে তেতিয়াও আমাক দিব কাৰণ আমি আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে কৰি আছো যদি আমি আমাৰো ভুল হ'ব পাৰে ভুল হোৱাটো স্বাভাৱিক তো ভুলখিনি যাতে আমি শুধৰাই ল'ব পাৰো আপোনালোকে আমাক আঙুলিয়াই দেখুৱাব যে এইখিনি ভুল হৈছে তো আমি সেইখিনি কাৰেকশ্যন কৰিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিম আৰু আমি ইয়াতকো আৰু ভাল ভাল ভিডিঅ' দিবলৈ আপোনালোকক ট্ৰাই কৰিম আৰু আমাৰ যেহেতু চেনেলটো নতুন গতিকে আমাৰ পিকচাৰ কোৱালিটি অডিঅ' কোৱালিটি অকমান প্ৰবলেম আছে আমি বুজি পাইছো তো সেইখিনি প্ৰবলেমো আমি ইন ফিউচাৰ আমি ভাল কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম সো আজিলৈ আহিছো ধন্যবাদ